Deputy Superintendent of Police Aminata Bari, assisted by Assistant Superintendent of Police Senebu Tambidu to her right, and Assistant Superintendent of Police Kankundong to her left. Right behind the General Duties Police Detachment is the left of the General Duties. We have the Gambia Police Force Intervention Unit. The male detachment is the one in front. Ably led by Deputy Superintendent of Police Alpha Suare, assisted by Assistant Superintendent of Police Suaibu Kamara, and Assistant Superintendent of Police Njaga Bojang, assisted by Assistant Superintendent of Police J. Sow to her right, and Assistant Superintendent of Police Senebu Ba to her left. Right behind the parade commander are officers and soldiers who are carrying the national flag and the Gambian Armed Forces flag. This is called the color party of the parade. The senior ensign, that is the senior officer among those in the color party, is Captain Abdullah Jaju, who is carrying the Gambian national flag. And the junior ensign is the one carrying the Gambian Armed Forces flag. It's Navy Fakeba. Detachment number 11 is the Gambia Immigration Detachment, Gambia Immigration Department Detachment. In front we have female detachment by Deputy Superintendent of Immigration, Maimuna Tarawali, assisted by Assistant Superintendent of Immigration, Fatu Kamara to her right, and Assistant Superintendent of Immigration, Fatu Seini Bojang to her left. Right behind that detachment is the Gambia Immigration Department male detachment, led by Deputy Superintendent of Immigration, Omar B. Sane, assisted by Deputy Superintendent of Immigration, Karafa Koli to his right, and Assistant Superintendent of Immigration, Buba Manga, to his left. Number 13 detachment is the Gambia Prison Services Detachment. They are dressed in green shirts with brown trousers. In front we have the male detachment. It's led by Superintendent of Prisons, Usman S. Kamara, assisted by Assistant Superintendent of Prisons, Modu Sane to his right, and Assistant Superintendent of Prisons, Sekou S. Baji to his left. Right behind the prisons male detachment is the female detachment. It's led by Superintendent of Prisons, Tida S. Kuyate, and Rescue Services Detachment. The male detachment is led by Assistant Divisional Fire Officer Jara Fofana, assisted by Station Officer Bintu Tamba to her right, and Station Officer Fantanjai to her left. Detachment number 16 is Fire and Rescue Services Male Detachment. It is led by Assistant Divisional Fire Officer Habibu Saho, assisted by Station Officer Abdul H. John and Station Officer Ibrahim Kamara. Collector Paul George Valentin to his left. Right behind the male detachment of the Gambia Revenue Authority is the female detachment, led by Senior Collector Aminata Jaju, assisted by Collector Yafa Tulo to her right, and Collector Aisatu Jaju to her left. The parade, and of course, everyone here is being entertained by melodious music, and this is being supplied by the Gambia Armed Forces Band. The band master is Captain Mahmoud Koli, and his drum major, the utterance is Warrant Officer Class 1 Jame Esa, and he is being assisted